we have to get it right from the beginning. And I know it's easier to live in the comfort zone because you're making a little money and it's okay, you know, but you know, it's not okay. You know, we are spending $1 billion every year to import edible oil that our farmers can grow, and they can make that $1 billion. I am very happy that we are all thinking in the same direction, at least with the governors. We are thinking in the same direction, and I hope we will create a big enough team to be able to persuade our private sector to come along with us. Please, tafadhali. Yeah, so that we can all think together in that direction. We are working with what we can do, the whole of Western Kenya, from Kitale, Bungoma, all the way Siaya, Kisumu, Homa Bay, Migori, Vihiga, Kakamega. Those are the people who should be producing for us edible oil because they have the capacity to. And we have the market for them. They don't have to go looking. We have the market to buy, because we are already spending $1 billion. That $1 billion is money that is available in our market that we can use to buy your products. But you see, we have to get on with it. It cannot continue to be any discussion any further. We all know what is right and what is wrong. Mudomi Njuki, I agree with you, the pulses issue. I called you. I called the governor of Kitui. I called Seth. I called, who was the other person? I think those three. And I gave this man called Moses Kuria instructions. Moses, I told you what to do. You know, chukua microphone, ambia hawa watu, hii pulses, what are you going to do? Wapi microphone, patia huyu mtu anaitwa Moses.